Da, it's Haley here, bringing you the latest in stuff like earthquake and weather and such. Here is latest earthquakes in the United States. Nothing major to talk about. But as you notice, and apparently Mexico is on this too. I don't know when they became part of the US, but Alaska's always up there, and they can see us from their house. Is that the joke? I don't know. And here is national weather hazards map. Of course, we always have flooding here. It is quite typical of the Missouri. Here is, well, let's see. That is slightly darker pink, so that is excessive heat warning. These are all red flag warnings then, which is a fire weather warning. And that is heat advisory. It's very hot. We don't like that. Here is who is dry and wish they could get the next hurricane, but probably won't. And here is who would get precipitation in next 5 days. Here are who is flooded. Yesterday, I think there were, what, 114 locations in flood, something like that. Today, it's down to 68. So still plenty of flooding from Irene along East Coast. Yes. Lots of flooding. Anyway, and lots of flooding there, as it's always been. Here is severe weather outlook with confusing map. Because this is categorical map, so you'll see non-severe thunderstorms, whatever that really means. I don't know. We switch to this. There's a 5% chance of wind up there. That's apparently it, because the hail map, it should say less than 5% in all areas, but somebody forgot to put that on the map today. And then this one, this is the tornado, and that one says less than 2% all areas. Here's tomorrow. We have slight risk in Montana and North Dakota. And here are the actual probabilities of some sort of severe weather event happening. 15% and then 5% around it. Here's the Eastern Pacific, where there is red blob. It is 60% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 48 hours. And here is where we have Tropical Storm Katya coming at you. No. I not go with that joke. And then 10% chance of tropical cyclone formation there. And if you look at this, Tropical Storm Katya is going to become Major Hurricane Katya. And then here is, no, this does not go out very far yet. But I will show you how to run your own little simulation today. Anyway, so these are the hurricane paths based on different scientific models. Today, I'm going to teach you how to play Hunt the Hurricane. See, you go to this website, mag.ncep.noaa.gov. I don't know what it means. And then you click on Model Guidance, and by default, NMR will be selected. So for hurricane purposes, you want to select Atlantic, then you select GFS, because I don't know, that's the one I look at. It's Global Forecast System. It was one of the many models. And then you do this 850 millibar temp, mean sea level pressure, that is what that stands for, and precipitation. You click on that, and then you click on Loophole if you want to play Hunt the Hurricane. So here is Tropical Storm Katya. And look out, Katya, look at the millibars. It looks like it's getting down to 992 millibars. That's like a pretty intense hurricane, I think. I don't know. But right now, and then it just goes off the walls, off the rails, because it's stepping by what, 3 hours each time, and then suddenly it's stepping by 12 hours. So that's why it suddenly starts making huge jumps once you get to a certain point. Click, there. See, look how quickly it jumps. It is, stuff. So, GFS model at this time is still showing that future Hurricane Katya will not be hitting the United States. It will be up there. Now, things could change. That is why we look at the models every day, to keep ourselves better informed. And if you'd like to keep yourself better informed, you head on over to wickedwix.com. It is WICKEDWX.com.